Imagine a smartphone that seamlessly integrates with your car, home, and daily routines. This is the vision behind Tesla mobile phone technology. Designed with cutting-edge hardware and software, a Tesla phone could feature ultra-fast processors, high-resolution displays, and advanced battery life powered by innovative charging solutions. Imagine unlocking your Tesla vehicle, controlling home energy systems, or accessing Starlink internet, all from the palm of your hand. Enhanced security, powered by Tesla's proprietary AI, protects your data while enabling features like facial recognition and voice commands. With a focus on sustainability, the materials would be eco-friendly and the device optimized for energy efficiency. Compatibility with Tesla's ecosystem means you can monitor your car's charge, track solar panel output, or adjust climate controls from anywhere. Ultimately, Tesla's mobile phone technology aims to push the boundaries of connectivity, intelligence, and convenience, revolutionizing how we interact with the world around us.